In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to path in Figma. Converting text to a path, sometimes called converting to outlines, turns your live editable text into vector shapes. This is perfect when you want to customize letterforms, share files without font issues, or prepare artwork for precise scaling and exports. Just keep in mind, once text is outlined, you can't edit the characters or change the font on that layer anymore. Start by logging into your Figma account. From your dashboard, open the project or file where the text you want to convert lives. Give the file a moment to load, then navigate to the page or frame that contains your text. If your file has multiple pages or lots of layers, using the Layers panel on the left can help you find the exact text layer quickly. Inside the editor, select the text you want to convert. You can click it directly on the canvas, or click its name in the Layers panel. A quick way to confirm you've selected a text layer is to look at the right-hand sidebar. You should see font settings like family, weight, and series. That tells you the layer is still live text and ready to be outlined. To convert it to a path on Windows, press Shift plus Control plus O. On a Mac, press Shift plus CMD plus O. If you prefer a mouse-friendly route, right-click the selected text and choose Outline Stroke or Convert to Outlines, depending on the version you're using. The name can vary slightly, but both options do the same thing. They turn your characters into vector shapes. The moment you do this, the text will stop behaving like a font and start behaving like any other vector. You'll notice the font controls disappear from the sidebar, and each character becomes a shape or a group of shapes. Fill and stroke settings carry over, so your text should look the same on the canvas. Now you can edit individual anchor points, tweak curves with the vector tools, adjust the spacing by moving letters as shapes, and apply advanced effects like gradients, strokes, Boolean operations, and precise masks. Because this is a one-way change on that layer, make sure you're comfortable with the text content and spelling before converting. Many designers use this technique when preparing logos, lockups, or assets for handoff, so they don't run into missing font warnings on other machines. And that's it. You've successfully converted text to path in Figma, giving you complete control over every curve and corner while keeping your design looking exactly the way you intended.